Hello guys, I'd like to play a game with you. Just kidding. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing Jigsaw. As you can see, I'm looking a little crazy. But this is my version of him. I absolutely love the Saw movie, so I thought this would be a really great Halloween look to create for you guys. And I did a photo shoot last year as him. I will insert a picture of it. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. I just love the movie, so I figured I'd make this for you guys. It's super quick and simple, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue watching. So I'm just gonna move my hair, well, my wig. So first, I'm going to make my face super white, whiter than it already is. I'm using this brush, I guess. It's a mess. I'm only putting a little bit up there just because it's mostly going to be black up in there anyways, so. This is my makeup so far. I'm going to do a little bit of this over it, so this was more of like a base because this is like legit foundation. And this is going to be a cream makeup. Yeah. Oh, my little ham. Say hi, my little Halloween butt. Look at him. He's so cute. So I got cat hair everywhere now. Alright, so now we're going to do this cream makeup over it just to make it a little bit thicker. So now this is all of my base, and now I'm going to go in with this black, and this is like a cream black. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting a good base and going around the whole eye. My first eye, just the base cream. I'm gonna go over it with a eyeshadow powder to kind of set it and darken it as well. We'll do the same thing on this side. So that is it so far. That's with just the base. Alright, and then real quick, I'm just gonna make my eyebrows black. So now I got eyebrows. It makes a whole lot of a difference, actually. And then I'm gonna take this black shadow from H&M. It's sparkly, just to give this a little flare. Okay, so I'm just gonna set all of this with that now. And then the nice thing with the shadow is you can like smoke the bottom out a lot more than you can with the other stuff. Just because it's so solid that it just doesn't smoke out as much. But do you see like how different that looks from this side? It adds a lot. I'm gonna add a little mascara, even though you will not be able to tell. It's like more of like a personal preference step I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this red lip liner and I'm going to draw out my lips. Alright, lip liner is looking crazy. Now we're going to take a red lip color. Alright, and I'm going to take a lip brush and just kind of draw out a little more intense. So that is my lips. And now we're going to draw my lines. I'm going to take this little pen again, the lip liner. We're going to draw my little swirls. And that is my Jigsaw for you guys. So the makeup for Jigsaw is super easy. It's super like chill. You don't need a whole lot of products, which is nice. And yeah, he's just a fast, really cool look to do. And I mean, who doesn't like the Saw movies, right? So this is the look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to making more crazy Halloween looks for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a good rest of your night. Bye guys!